pillow with a capital P. Okay, that's done. Let's run Django again. We have one unapplied migration. Let's do python manage.py migrate. And this is applying our thumbnail initial. Cool, that's from our third-party package, so it's provisioning a little thing in our database. Let's see if we can make our new migrations, because we need to make new migrations. So these migrations that we just ran came from Sorrel thumbnail. When we make migrations here, what we're saying is, Django, hey, take a snapshot of what we currently have versus what we used to have, and if there's any changes in there, create a migration file. And so we have. We said this post class now has an image field on it. And so let's go ahead and run make migrations. And this is going to say that the image field is not allowed to be null. We can either press 1 to provide a one-off default, or we can hit 2 and let's set a default in models.py. That's right, in here we could say something like default is equal to something. We don't know what that default is though. So let's go ahead and say 1 and see what happens. And I'm just going to type 1. And maybe this breaks, maybe this doesn't. If it breaks, I'll show you how to fix it. And I'm just going to type the number 1 in here. So it created a new migration file called 0002 post image. And so if we click this, it has a dependency on the original migration file. So it needs that file. And then it's going to say, for the operations, things that should do, add a field, and that field is coming from sorrel.thumbnailfields.image field. It's a default of 1, that's what we wrote to. Upload to, we didn't give it an upload to, that's just like a folder we could upload to if we wanted to. Preserve default false. And so basically this is going to give us a new column in our database. Let's go ahead and now run migrate. And so originally when we made our migrations, we simply made this file. We didn't execute it. Then we run migrate and that says